Hi everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. My name is Nancy, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, share and like my videos, and also put on your notification bell to be notified when I upload new videos. In today's class, I'll be showing you how to make this lovely simple top. It's a beginners friendly tutorial. The amount of fabric I used is 1 yard and 6 inches because it's for a small size person. The first step is to fold the fabric into two. Then you should further fold it into two. So I practically folded it into four. The next step is to place the neckline measurement. I'll mark 4 inches as the neck width. Then I'll also mark 4 inches as the neck depth. From the center back of the neck to the sleeve length is 20 inches. At this 20 inches point, I'll mark 2 inches downwards, then I'll connect this point to the neck width. The length of the top is 21 inches, so I'll add 2 inches sewing allowance and that'll be 23 inches altogether. To get the round sleeve of the client, you place the tape from the center back vertically to the sleeve length, which is 20 inches. Then on that 20 inches point, you place the tape horizontally to get the round sleeve measurements. So the round sleeve for this client is 14 inches divided by 2, which is 7 inches. But since I'll be making use of an elastic band for the sleeve opening, I'll add 4 inches sewing allowance to the 7 inches, and that will be 10 inches. Now I'll place the tape at this point to mark 10 inches. The next step is to extend this point. This line will serve as the bust line. Now I'll divide the bust circumference by 4, then I'll place it on the bust line. I will add about 3 inches sewing allowance to the side of the bust circumference. The next step is to extend this point down to the hem. Now I'll have to trim out the excess fabric at the side without trimming out the neckline. I stopped the cutting at this point because this is under the armhole, so I need to curve it in a little. The next step is to mark the center of the neckline as shown. Out the fold to place the off shoulder measurement. To get the off shoulder, I'll place my tape on the center line. So from the center line, I'll mark 9 inches at the other side of the neck. But for a large size person, you can make use of 10 inches. Now I'll place the curve ruler to connect the center line to the 9 inches I marked. I'll take the top to the sewing machine to secure the shoulder slope by half an inch. After securing the shoulder slope, I'll open this up to fold the sleeve opening in which I'll be inserting the elastic. Now I'll take the top to my sewing machine to secure the elastic casing. After securing the elastic casing, the next step is to take the length of the sleeve opening. Here I have 20 inches, so I'll divide the 20 inches by 2 and that will be 10 inches. I'll subtract 2 inches from 10 inches and that will be 8 inches, which means that the length of the elastic band I'll be working with is 8 inches. The next step is to insert each elastic band into the elastic casing. After inserting the elastic into the casing, I'll use a pin to pin both the elastic and the edge of the sleeve opening. I'll also repeat the same method for the second sleeve opening. After inserting the elastic into the sleeve opening, I'll fold the top into 2. Then I'll take this to the sewing machine to secure the sides by 1 inch. The next step is to sew the hem by folding half an inch and further folding it in by half an inch. Now I'll turn the top to the right side of the fabric. The final step is to use a bias tape to secure the neckline. I have secured the neckline and this is the outcome of the top. You should give it a try. Obviously the sleeve is a straight sleeve, but in my next tutorial I'll be showing you how to make a similar top but with a puff sleeve. Alright guys, thank you for watching to the very end. I really appreciate it, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe, like and share my videos, and also put on your notification bell to be notified when I upload new videos.